I reached out to Paul Brunngård when he first released his shoe care line because I spent a lot of time caring for my shoes and I wanted to see what they were like. So we wound up doing an order through Atherton because Atherton had everything in place and had a good distribution channel. And Paul was able to give me a discount to look at them. But I think it's important that you know that I did pay, but I bought the complete set so that I can really take a close look at it and see what I like about it. And so there's a big box here, which is, here we go, which is a briefcase. And then I have several boxes of others. But you see he signed the inside, which is very nice. The black and the black. Obviously everything shipped to me well. It was in a large box, but came out just fine. And here you can see the luxury of this box is just really nice. They call this the briefcase, and we'll take a look at it here together. So this is the briefcase to store all your shoe care needs, and it has places here for each piece of it. A couple silicone things, which obviously is for shipping, we don't need. And then we have each piece here comes in. This is Spit Shine Black, so I'll put that there. Now that's a problem. How do you get it out? That I'm not sure. This is Spit Shine Neutral, and this is Spit Shine Medium Brown. So again, they have these things here, but I don't know how to get them out once I put them in. So we're learning as we go. Just like everything else on the channel, it's authentic. I have no idea what I'm looking at until I actually open it up. And so here we have, these are this is a tool for cleaning up edges and so forth. So we'll just be able to put that directly into the box. We'll call it the sole edge, right? Now this is a neutral application brush. And here like this, take it out. That's here. So that goes into the box like so. So there's going to be a little bit of this as we go through and we look at it. Hopefully the set is really complete. I asked for it to be brushed, but you guys know how that goes. Sometimes when you order the complete set, sometimes it'll be complete, sometimes it won't. I don't see a different color for that application brush, but I do have several other boxes to go. This is a neutral horsehair brush. See here, very nice. And I can put this in to the box like so, and that just fits in like that. So now I need a black one, but first I have a neutral goat hair brush. So maybe instead of a black one, they just give me a goat hair and a horsehair. And you can see the difference in thickness on these. It's actually very interesting. So let's take a look, a little bit more detail. So you can see the handles, very, very fine. You got a nice top layer connected here to it to cover up the hairs where they're connected into the brush. So it's a really smooth experience when you're brushing. And horsehair, goat hair, you can see the goat hair is much thicker. So very cool. So now I've got 2 of these boxes that come with it as well. So let's see what's in them. And you can see here, it is 6 of these. This is Sublime Wax. So we have cognac, dark brown, medium brown, light brown, neutral. So we're gonna put that in like so. And we have black. So I'm gonna just look at this again. This is smoky cognac. So I'll put the black there, and then I'll do the smoky cognac. And then we have the last box, which is here. Let's see what's, again, now what's interesting about this is that these seem thicker, don't they? So perhaps my issue on these here is that I chose ones, see, these are all about the same, but I think I'll need to turn this upside down and pop them out. But these go in here thicker, and this is Artistic Cream. And you see, now you can actually pull it out, so they come out much easier. So this is Artistic Cream Dark Brown, neutral, we'll put there, black, so actually that's dark brown, that's black, that's your mahogany. So we'll start with dark brown, then we'll go with mahogany, neutral, then I have medium brown, and smoky cognac. So we'll have those. And there we have it. Now, the box has another area here where you can put stuff. They've got room for another small brush that was not included. And so we'll take a look at this as we go. But I think for now, this is where we are.